Hey everyone, so today what we're going to make is creating a basic dice simulator using Python programming. But first, we go to the Google search bar and type collab.research.google.com and then click enter. Then just click on the cancel button here and let's scroll down, and at the end here we'll click on the code cell. And now what we want to do is use a hashtag to describe what we're doing. And then we'll use all these Gmail tags, and then we'll say title is equal to dice simulator. And then you see a little pop-up here which you can close and you can show the code or open it yourself. And now we're ready to start. First of all, bring the import function. I want to use it to import the function random. Now we use as our DN for random. Now inside here, we're going to create a define function called roll dice. So you got the bracket and then the colon, and then you click on the enter. And after that, you want to print rolling dice. Then you make a variable called dice and to be equal to random rnd dot randoms, and then you bring 1 to 6 since a dice has 6 numbers and success. Then you come out of the define function and create another variable called roll and to be equal to roll dice. Then back inside the define function, we want to create a variable to return the input, and we'll say return dice. Then in the roll dice, we'll add the brackets to show that we're marking it as the defined function here. And then we want it to print with an F string so say quotation mark, and outside the quotation marks we'll use F string on the front, or you can use capital F or small f actually. And then you inside the F string you want to print dice has the number, and then instead of coming out to do the plus symbol, we'll basically just use a new type of bracket here and write roll. If we run this now, so it's allocating and connecting to Python 3, and now it has the number 2. It says 5. But we'll see if the user wants to keep on rolling the dice and they don't want it to roll just once. To do that, we use the tab. So say a while loop while 1. And to keep space in our project, we'll just click on enter and then the backspace. Then don't forget to add a colon, else it will bring an error. Now you need to have this here to show that this is an input and not an indentation error. And after that, we want to ask, so set a variable called ask to an input and to say, do you want to continue? And to shorten your inputs, you could say Y for yes / N for no. And don't forget to add a space, else it will be connected to the colon. And now after the ask, if ask is equal to Y, then we'll copy something else, and now we want to add if ask is equal to N. Now in here we're going to do break, which will break it out of the loop and to stop the whole execution. And now for the Y, we'll basically just copy these two lines above the ask. And then we'll click on backspace, and now we just have this here. And now in the Y, we'll do Control V. Now let's tab here, and let's backspace it so we have more spaces for indentation. And now let's run. Do you want to continue? Is what it asks first. If I say Y, it says that rolling dice, and dice has the number 3. If we say Y again, it says a different number, 4. And Y, it says 2. When we then say N, then it stops dual execution. So basically, now we've just created our own basic dice simulator using just Python programming. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and you can also check out my Facebook and Instagram pages. See you later, bye!